In this video, we are going to show you how to delete a project in Emergent AI. Now, if you have a project, as you can see here, we have this one where we created a note-taking app for our computer, and you want to delete it so you can get back some resources, because you can actually do that. That is a feature with Emergent. You want to go back to the home page, right? If you have the tab open here, you want to go to the home page over here on the upper left corner, and you're going to be brought back to the screen here to maybe do another project, whether full stack, mobile, landing page, right? If you're going to look at your somewhat on the lower part of your screen, you're going to see recent tasks, right? Recent tasks here, deployed apps, two types, right? If you want to delete a project, you can actually scroll down. If you have a project, you can click on the three dots here on the right hand side, click on this small pop-up will appear, and there is an option to delete. It's the same way if you have deployed apps on your account, but just for the project itself, you can just click delete. There you go. And it's going to ask you, so are you sure you want to delete this project? This action cannot be undone. Click confirm. There we go. And as you can see, it is now gone. So that is how you delete a project in Emergent AI. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.